This broadcast unveils the ultimate solutions for persistent Paralives, save file corruption. Having personally navigated these exact frustrating errors and exhaustively tested numerous approaches, I've successfully identified several effective methods to fix save issues, which I am now going to detail for you. First, method 1 involves verifying your game files. Games can sometimes have missing or damaged files from downloads or updates. Verifying checks these files and replaces any bad ones. This ensures Paralives has all its necessary parts, stopping corruption caused by incomplete game data. Next, method 2 focuses on running the game as an administrator. Some programs, including games, need special permissions to write new files or change existing ones on your computer. Running Paralives with administrator rights gives it the full authority needed to save your game correctly, preventing save problems that happen due to permission blocks. Third, method 3 guides to manage your save data. Old or temporary save files can clash with new ones, and cloud saving can sometimes sync a broken version. By backing up your saves, deleting temporary files, and adjusting cloud settings, you create a clean environment. This allows Paralives to make fresh, healthy saves without conflict. Finally, method 4 addresses checking your system integrity. Hidden issues within your computer's core system files or hard drive can cause problems. Tools like SFC and TichKateSK fix these deeper system faults or disk errors. This makes sure your operating system is stable and reliable enough to properly handle all your game saves. Each step targets a specific reason why your save files might be getting corrupted, providing a robust solution for uninterrupted gameplay.